Hello mga tagay, nandito naman si Inday Tagay, ang babae hindi naubusan ng Pepsi. Alam nyo. Dito tayo sa Ike Super Lapas Pachoy. Punta kayo dito, masarap masyado. Wag ka naman. Yan, tapo na yan. Masarap na lahat. So anyways, to foreigners, Rob, thank you for supporting me. Sabi niyo you need to speak in English. Anyways, here, my, gano'n ako. Rob, please do not let me speak in English. But then, anyways, yung boiled ko, because my YouTube has been cut up. So, I need to rewind. Ano ganyan? Boiled egg. There is special, there is super special, and there is regular. And I have one here. I've already eaten, but then it has been cut off. So anyways, that's it. Kailangan pa ba i-memorize yan? Very cheap, very delicious. Cheers. Nagawan. Yun na yan. No? Meron pa ako dito. Wrap mga tagay.
Ayoko na.
Just smell, just smell. Wow.